Okay, what I'm going to show you is how to create a set of stairs. So you're going to go from your basement floor to your top of your first floor. So it's floor to floor height. If you look at the Habitat house, basically here's their stair. It's being supported by two walls, and you're going to need two walls in there that go into your basement. Now this is the print on the floor plan, and then if you look at the basement plan or the foundation plan, here's the print in the basement plan. Now this, you're going to be a little confused by this. This is a closet that's underneath the stair, and then this is where it breaks through that floor. And this one has a landing in it. We're not going to do one just like that, but landings are easy enough to do. Alright, so first thing you do is go level 1. You're going to go to stair, and then you're defaulting it to this one. We're going to edit that guy. Duplicate. You're going to be, you're actually an 8-inch maximum riser and a 10-inch tread. Uniform building code needs that the riser heights need to be between 7 and 8 inches. Okay. Alright, I already have that one. So you'll have that. Alright, so I want you to put 7.5 in here, maximum riser height, because that's what we're shooting for. And then 10 inches. Okay. Okay. Then what I want you to do here, you start out, we're doing top of foundation wall. Or I'm not sorry, top of footing. And it's going to be 4 inches above that because of the thickness of the footing. And then you're going up to level 1. Alright. So come over to your building, and you're going to drag and drop. Alright. And accept that. Okay, now if you don't like the direction, you can click on your stair, and there should be a double, oops, let's click on the whole thing. There should be a double arrow so you can reverse the direction. Say I'm going down from my first floor to there. Then you go into view, because I want to verify that this was put in right, so I'm going to just throw a section view in there. Open up your sections, and then this is basically a cutaway. Now I want you to verify everything was right. So go in the line. I want you to put dimension from here to the top of the floor. Alright, and then the last step to the first floor should be exactly the same, and they are. If these aren't the same, your stair did not go in there correctly. The other thing is this landing here between the foundation wall and the end of your stair, this guy, that has to be 3 feet or greater. You cannot have like 2 feet because you basically run into the wall. Alright, to do the opening in the floor for this, you will go to your level 1. So I'm just going to delete this section. And the correct way to make the opening is you got to be able to select the floor, because you're going to do a opening by face. Alright, so if I come over here, this is selecting the first floor. So I select that, I'm going to grab a rectangle, and this is the stringer, and then the handrail, I believe. So we're going to put a rectangle from here to there. I'm going to modify this dimension, the length of it. I'm going to make it about 12 feet. And then accept that. Alright, so now if we go to the 3D view, there I have the opening. Alright. Okay, now if you take a look at this stairwell, it's up to you. You can leave these handrails on or get rid of the handrails or turn them off. I'm just going to delete these 2 handrails so I can show you the parts. Now this side of it, this is called a stringer, and that's a stringer. you need to build a wall on the other side of the stringer because the stringer needs to get attached to that wall to support that that stairwell. Again, make sure that the bottom, this is called the riser. That's your tread. This bottom one, you step off, and it's not being embedded into the slab. All right. So if we go back to level 1, again on my section view, there's a couple things I want to verify. Also, is that I have enough headroom height. So if I go into section 1, so here's that opening. I want you to put a dimension in here that goes from here straight down to the nearest tread. Ooh, what happened there? Alright, let's try that again. So, annotate the line from there to there. Alright, 6 feet 7. Basically, I'm going to have to open or move that opening a little bit further along there because I need to, a minimum, I need to have 6'8" for headroom height. So if that's the case, I can basically come over here, highlight this, edit the boundary, open that view. I'm going to bring this guy. I'll go like 12, 6, accept that. Go into my section and verify this again. Yeah, because I can now go to the next step. Yeah, then I got plenty of room. Alright.